here. Still dark. I'm on so my plan this morning, I don't know if this is right or what I should be doing, but is I'm gonna let it start sort of breaking daylight here at the truck and just slowly start walking towards the area that I've seen turkeys on. But I want to see if I can hear one gobble this morning. And if I can hear one make a move, then, on that. So that's the plan. Like I said, it's still dark out, so I'm gonna sit here, listen to a little bit of there you go. Listen a little bit of Southeastern Bowhunter podcast, my man Eric. Probably just got a few minutes though, but sip the rest of this coffee, then get out and slowly make a move before work, and then go see some customers. So
you're supposed to hit it, a field tip with a standard 350 grain arrow is going to kill him. I mean, every time. So,
shot placement, brother.
I would work more on.
Well, guys. Day 2 of the turkey tour. Not turkey tour. TJ's first bird tour. Turkey tour's already. Someone's already using that one. I don't want to get no plagiarism here. We don't need that. buggered up. I'll have y'all tell me in the video. I don't know if you can really hear because I'm not running like mics, just the mics that's on the cameras, but I had a hen fire up this morning, and then I believe 3 gobblers were firing off, one to my right, 2 to my left. I know for a fact at least 2. I was just matching the hen, calling with her. They gobbled probably at least about 6 times each. But they were a ways away. And so I moved probably, I don't know, 150 yards and got in this little bottom. I'm gonna show you. So I'm in this little bottom right here. And right there's a ridge, and I think they were on the other side of that. So I tried to split it to get them to come down here. Seen a deer, but I was calling in. I might have pushed him off. I don't know. So you live and learn. But we heard some gobbles this morning. Man, that was cool. They weren't loud because they were pretty far off, and they might, because right up past that ridge is the other property, so it might have not done any good anyways. But hey, anytime you hear that, man, that's just a good sign. But we're hearing them now. Now we gotta see them and kill them. All right, guys.
Hire a kid to do it. I'm sure there's
Woo!
out there that loves hunting. I would love to do it.
It is day 3, trip 3, morning 3, whatever you want to call it, of the first bird tour. Oh crap! I gotta open my gate. Pit stop. Once again, I got just a quick morning. I had the bird. I had birds gobbling yesterday. I don't know if you can see me or not. Had birds gobbling yesterday, a little ways away from where I was. So this morning, it's a full moon, so it's bright. But I'm getting in really early, and I'm gonna pretty much set up on the edge of the property line, because I think they're technically off the property. Golly, y'all, I'm sorry. Y'all are probably like, what are you doing with this camera? But I was trying to lock my gate there where I can get through. Wasn't working too well. But I'm gonna try to get on the edge of this property and see if I can get him to fly over, or see if he does this morning. So stay tuned. It's gonna be dark. I'll see you when the sun starts cracking.
I'll tell you what, out of all
nuts. How much turkey sign there is. Well, I think it's turkey sign, or armadillo, or possum, or something. I mean, you can see clearly just all through this little road here. A little scratching. But I don't know. Maybe turkey killing is just not in the cards for me. Let me ask y'all. Have you ever killed a silent bird? Not like sitting in a blind on a field and you just know they're coming in and you're just sitting there all day, but like on public or hardwoods in the south. Not one where you can see for, out west, hundreds of thousands of yards. But, hunting thick bottoms like this. Have you ever killed a silent bird? If you have, I'd be curious as to hear what your technique is, or maybe how that story went. Did you, just randomly set up and he walked to you, or did you slowly walk in, spot him, and made your move? I don't know. Curious. But your boy couldn't kill one if I had one in a pen. So I think I'm like jinxed with birds. I don't know. But also too, they say that you can't kill birds where they're not. I know there's birds here, but it's very few, and I think they are old, because ain't nobody turkey hunt on this property really in like 20 years. So I don't know if they're just smart. Well, we know they're smart, but I'll see if we can get one. Well, I'm just gonna slowly keep walking back to the trucks. I gotta go to work, so we'll see. See ya. We gonna do one last hoorah before I gotta go to work. Lord, if it's in your will, let one fire up right down there. We'll put the old choke hold on them. Let's go. I mean, they're lit tight this morning. I ain't heard the first one this morning anywhere in the holler. Give me that. Let's go to work, fellas.